Alright guys, so this is the brushless upgrade. We put in the 2845. I had some gearing issues, so I played around with it, learned a little bit about Tamiya gearing, especially with TTO2 stuff going on lately. So we're going to do a run on the track today. Going to use our Eugenics 2S 50C LiPo 2200. Should work real good for this. This can handle up to 4S, so there's plenty of room in there. And I'm going to do what I've been wanting to do for a while. Always wondered how like my average speed and my top speed on the track is. So let's put the GPS in it and see what it is. Now, one cool thing about this bike tracker, it does elevation and everything. So like you can plug it into their software, and you could actually see what kind of track you're or what kind of run you're doing, and you know, like there's a lot to it. You can learn a lot from it. Anyway, enough of that baloney. Let me get this stuff in there. Hope it fits. It should. It's right there on the edge. Oh, did I just turn it off? See how I am? Well, anyways, maybe I won't. I don't feel like finding a strap. I'm lazifying it. It's been a long week. Vacation takes a lot out of you. Come on, GPS. Find a signal. Alright, I'll grab a piece of tape. You can see we moved a lot of dirt over here. We got a mess. Absolute mess. We're going to start the foundation this week. Got our gravel over there. I got to pound out our where we're putting the wall, and then we're going to backfill it, you know, so we're going to put a wall around the outside, and then once the wall's built, we'll backfill with dirt and bring that around there, and you'll see that's my toilet coffer for the septic. And you see over there we buried put about 4 foot of dirt on top of our old septic leach line, which would help because I don't think that's been done in 100 years, literally. Well, not literally, because right here it used to be a 4-person outhouse. I tore it down, so this house is that old. This house is that old. It's pretty crazy, to be honest. I feel like I'm that old Tom Hanks movie, Money Trap, or whatever the hell it was. I feel like that's what I'm in. Anyways, some electrical paperwork. Really do want to try this out. Come on, turn on. There we go. I'm mighty curious. Find me some satellites. I didn't even check to see if there was clearance. Clearance. Still no satellites. Well, maybe it'll acquire it. Enough of me monkeying around. So hopefully you guys are all having a good weekend. I needed a break from the TTO, and I figured this is as good a break as any. Something fun. Probably gonna mess around with the track while I'm at it. So I don't know if it's gonna catch a signal, but we'll find out, right? You and I will find out together. It's a little bit tight. It's the best I could do, though. Oh, yeah. Track car all day. Ah! Did you guys just see that? Oh. So I gotta be careful with beehives over there. Hopefully you guys are catching all this. Sorry about my mess. My world's chaotic right now. Oh, shoot. My daughter was sitting in the hammock reading her books earlier. A little coggy. Probably cut most of this out. So you see where we're working over here. And I took about 100 yards out of there, leveled it off for the greenhouses that are going there. Gearing's real tight. I'm hoping that it... Oh, this thing is awesome. Oh. Wheelies! This thing is awesome, guys. Oh, I really wish my track was running. Alright, you're trying to go too much. Relax, Francis. I gotta find a way to run, I think I'll do up here. This thing's insane, guys. I'm barely touching the throttle. I'm probably gonna bring the throttle rate down, actually. Now, I ain't no two-wheeler guy. This is like my first real running with a two-wheeler, other than me running that low seat earlier today in a speed run. Ha! I have to put some weight on that nose. Tumble, wumble, and on my feet. Come on, you got it. See what I mean about the cog? But that's all pinion tightness. Man, this thing flies. I'm digging it. Holiday Buggy Brushless. Like I said, guys, look, this thing would be insane at the skate park. I'm really not even touching it. So I hope you guys dig what I'm doing with the paint, or the body. I still got to paint my interior. I haven't done any painting yet. I haven't had no time. So, but the decals are done. This is probably a 30-mile-an-hour car right now. And this is a little 28 series. This ain't no 3600 or nothing like that. I don't think any 110s need that, unless you're really trying to do something fancy. Or at least these kinds, these retros. Same way I feel about the LCs and the WLs. Speed run, different story altogether. That's a purpose-driven motor. Anyways, I just need a little zen time. Hope you guys don't mind. I just brought you along with me. I'm stressing. Gotta get my stuff in order, that's all. Man, that's crazy. Oh. Hey goats, what you guys doing? I got some food for you later. Lots of leftovers. Need some definite track love. Yeah, I think the pinions are loosening up a little, starting to mesh nicer. A little less cogging. Kind of what I figured. It's kind of like breaking in any gear. You got metal on, got aluminum pinion on a plastic gear. she runs real good, guys. Definitely fun upgrade. And it ain't too nutty. It's probably about the same as running a 540 brush, you know, but look, it's a lot smaller. It ain't even warm. I definitely got to put that brace on it. Yeah, it's getting a little warm. These are Genix batteries. They just pump, man. They just pump. They really do. This thing could do standing wheelies if you wanted to. Ah, dang it, I hate that. You know, I'm going to take that hole out altogether. I don't see the point in it. I thought it was cool at first. Live and learn. It's okay to make mistakes. Yeah, you tell me, Goat. You tell me. They see Mama over there. You get a couple of these Tamiyas, do a vintage race night. You know, I'll get my DTO3 running. And now I want a TTO2B. Now that I have that TTO2, man. I really do. Not in my financial future, but doesn't mean I can't want something, right? Anyways. Well, come on, roll over. I think a metal plate on the bottom, or maybe just to weight it down on the bottom, because with this motor the way this is, I think handling wise it might not be a bad idea, or just get some weighted wheels in the front. But it's really bouncy on the front. I do have the shocks I can mess with a little bit, but they're pretty much let all the way out. Now these are great shocks. These are the ones that Freddie was doing his build series. I know he mentioned it. Somebody else mentioned it too. It might have been Adam's Playground, or maybe Iowa. I don't know. Everybody has these buggies, so it's hard to say. Anyways, I really dig it. Oh, standing backflip. Bet you it could. And you definitely gotta let off the gas when you hit the jumps on this. You know what? I get enough of these rigs. We'll do a race series like I see OAG's got, and who was the other guy that's got him? I was just watching it today. My memory's failing me. Apologize to whoever that was, I forget, but they got some nice little, you know, they just time their cars, you know. See what kind of laps you get. You see that cog? It's just nothing I can do about it right now. It's gonna work its way out. Gearing is just tight. See, it's not like grinding, it's just tight. Runs really good. Anyways. Ha! Is it going to grass? No Tamiya is going to grass. Not well, anyways. At least it didn't crash. Oh, look what we found. Body clip. Ow, hot. Okay, we're done. Okay, so we got some heat on her. But I think that was a success. I don't know what you guys. I think it's a success. Good run. I dig it. So like and subscribe, all that. This is just a short video of me running. Hopefully it came out. almost forgot. We put the GPS in there. So that was the max. Average was 3 miles an hour. 14.7 was the max. So this track's about a 20 mile an hour track. Now I could, like, if the track was set, you know, we could open her up that way. That's tight. That's tight. But if we had that whole round, that berm is going to be nice. And that berm over there is going to be nice. That whole wall is going to be one big turnaround berm, I think. Once we're done, I got to give the tractor back, so that's going to be delayed. So anyways, not bad. Not bad at all.